Hello YouTube people, good afternoon Facebook public. This video is special for Mayur Gosalia. If Mayur Gosalia is watching this video, I would like to tell him that it was his responsibility to tell his father to give me my 18 years hard earned money, what I worked over there. Mayur, you were half small when I came to that house. You were the age of 13 years old, very small. Moshmi was 11 and Mitesh was the smallest child in that family and in that house. So it was your responsibility to tell your father, give Sumi's money. Sumina paisa api de. Sumina paisa api de papa and a shirap nele. It was your responsibility. But instead of doing that, you encouraged your father, don't give the money. With your wife Nirmala Gosalia. So now Mayur, you tell me what shall I do? When I send the letter to you, I sent the letter specially for Babu. And Babu and Babi were in London. I call Mr. Yogita Gosalia Babi and I call Mr. Praveen Gosalia Babu because it was my respect to them. I respect them. But now you tell me, Mayur, instead of giving a letter to Babu, why did you tear the letter and throw it out? When I went to the watchman the second time to ask whether the letter was given, he told me that you have torn it and thrown it out. All the way from Panjim to Goa to Marga I come to give that letter. For me also expenses it became to pay the driver. Driver takes 1,500, 5,000 it takes. It was your responsibility to give your father. It was your responsibility. What good example you are going to teach your children? To Danali, Tasha and to Tavish, what good example you are going to teach them? What good example? See, in the family, always there are fights. Between Nirmala and Sangana, there's always jealousy. No happiness in that family. Why? Because you'll do like this. A person's hard-earned money, and especially a poor person, you'll don't want to give, you refuse to give. And Mayur, I'm telling you this also. Tomorrow Danali and Tasha also are going to grow up. They're already grown up like adults. They are going to have boys in their life. What type boys are going to come? Who knows? Even if you search the proposal. Whether in their family they are going to be happy. For all this today what you have done to me. The promises what your father gave me. Everything he'll do for me. And I tell you one more thing, Mayur. It was your responsibility that time when the money was getting exchanged. The 2000 to 1000 PM Modi Sarkar Modi PM Modi was going to change the money to 1000 from 2000. That time so much money people had burned, thrown out. That time what your father did with all that money? He couldn't send it to me. He couldn't send it to me. Huh? Y'all could not come to Panjim. Y'all couldn't ring me up. Y'all couldn't do anything. Nothing y'all could do. Sumi, instead of I burning this money, you take this money for you. All your hard-earned money you take. Couldn't do this. How cruel y'all could behave, Mayu, like this? How cruel. And how you can listen. How can you all tell your father, don't give the remaining money to Sumi. Don't give. When Babu asked me, what expenses are there and for what you want the money, I told him I'm getting married to a very poor person and I have such a small room and I want to make the house a little bigger. So he doesn't have his head. Yet he has to count the years and give the money properly. Just 25,000 he's giving me and sending me like this. And when I ring him up and tell him, Babu, please give me the remaining money, he's laughing and telling me no more money has to be given. What good example is this your father you're teaching? What example is this? Tomorrow your friends are going to ask you. Whoever watches this YouTube is going to ask you, Mayu, why you did this to your old maid? 18 years she worked for you all. When the time you were a child, from that time she used to take care of you. I should take care of all three of you. I should take care of Moshmi, of Mitesh and of you. And more your work I've done. Yours and Nirmala's work I've done. I should take care of all the three children. I should take care of Danali. I should take care of Tasha. And I should take care of Tavish. To all of you all I've taken care of. Very hard work I've done. I struggled a lot in that house. When Nirmala used to go with the children to Bombay also, I used to take care of you. Remember, whatever you wanted, whatever you asked us to do. You cannot behave cruel like this, Mayur. How cruel you can behave. Tomorrow Babu is not there, Babi is not there. You become the head of that house. Tomorrow another girl, another boy or girl, whoever comes to that house for help, you are going to do the same thing to her also or to him also. This is a bad example. I want the public to know this, what you all have done is wrong. Don't feel bad because I put it on YouTube. I'm forced to put it on YouTube because you are not behaving like affectionate. You all are not affectionate to me. You all are behaving so cruel and so like an enemy. You all are behaving with me. I'm not your enemy. You all are my enemies. How cruel you all can behave like this? That time it was your responsibility to tell Babu what that money what is you all have to throw out when you are exchanging the money. Will remember me at that time and tell Papa સુમી ના પૈસા 18 સાલ કામ કરી वो पैसा ने આપી દે એને. It was your responsibility. Now don't feel bad because I'm putting it on YouTube. Don't curse me. Curses are going to come back to you and to your children. Even though Tavish at least doesn't know. Tavish was very small when I left, and Tasha was small when I left, and Danali. So it's not their mistake. They are innocent, but it was your responsibility. Even Nirmala it's not even Nirmala's responsibility to tell Babu to give me the money. It's your responsibility. You guys should take care of you all. Nirmala came afterwards. Sangana came afterwards. It's yours and Mitesh's responsibility. At least Mitesh helped me for 2 or 3 years to give me 2,000. What you have done for me? You gave me anything? Anytime you called me? Anytime you asked me for my number at least? How many times I asked your number by somebody and I rang you up somebody again? You ever picked up the phone? You ever picked up? So cruel. How can you behave, Mayur? At least Mitesh and Sangana helped me in giving me that 2,000. Just to help me. But then slowly, because their time was going bad or something was going wrong in their problem, they were refusing to give. But let they help me a lot. I'm grateful to them. But this is not the way you all do like this. Very cruel. The YouTube people, please share this video everywhere. Share it everywhere. Let it go to all your friends. Let it go to London, everywhere. And let the rich people in this world know that never to hurt the poor people, whether they have a family or whether they don't have a family. It is my request. And if you all think what Mr. Praveen Gosala has done is right, then please don't support me. And if you all think what Mr. Praveen Gosala is done is wrong, then please support me. Because you all also are working, you all also are struggling to earn the money. And if your bosses and your owners do that to you, you all know how bad it is and how bad you all will feel. Even Gosala is running his shopping mall. Simply is not running it. Free is running. Free is giving people his things. No. On top of that, extra money he takes from them. Extra money. Why? Because he knows his children are there, grandchildren are there, expenses, light, water bill, houses are there to pay tax, furniture tax, gold tax. They know everything. So they can't do like that to me. Today for my expenses I need. I want to become alright. And my own hard-earned money. I'm not asking extra money from them. The money what I worked, only that. Not more than that. I don't want extra money. If he gives extra money also, I'll not accept it. What I earned, only that. And dear friends and dear public people on YouTube, I will tell you all, frankly tell you all, if by mistake also, if they feel what they've done is, they are guilty about it, and they want to give the money back to me, and they give the money to me, all my 18 years money, whatever it is remaining, 1,25,000 they have to give. 25,000 for my wedding they gave when I took the card and went. Now only 1,25,000 they have to give. And if they give it, my dear friends, I will show it on Facebook, on the YouTube and on the Facebook. I will even show you the money, how much money is given, that he has cleared all my money. I will not hide and keep it, because I'm not cruel like Mr. Praveen Gosala and like Mayur Gosala. Okay, this family has to change, because along with them there are many other families who are maybe doing this to these mates, or may not be doing also. But I have to realize what they are doing is wrong. And Mitesh, I'm telling you also, if you are watching this video was specially for Mayur, because I felt very bad when I sent the letter to him. He did not give it to Babu. That's why I had to talk to him on YouTube. I'm telling you also, don't feel bad because I put it on YouTube. You are trying to hide Babu because he's supporting you all now. First lots also he has troubled you all, right? You and Sangana Babi he threw out of the house. You all had to go and stay in Altim. He was not doing good to Sangana Babi. He was troubling her. He was doing good only to Nirmala. So a lot in the house, a lot of problems were happening. Because of that, you left the house and went. And today the whole house, Shantilal house, goes in Mayur's name. Nothing you get. So not just because slowly by listening to his friends and to the relatives, he must be slowly trying to help Janaya because of that, Janaya Kushan, and trying to help you all slowly. So please don't take his side just because little is helping you all. It's your also responsibility to go ahead and tell him, give Somi's money, give Somi's money if you want peace in life. See, coronavirus is going on, COVID-19 is going on. Simply this virus will not come. God is sent this virus. Because like you all rich people eat the hard-earned money of a poor person. And even of people who have families. I know, I came to know so many drivers who have worked for you all. Their money is not being given properly. And I'll tell your friends, once in shopping mall Big G in Madgaon, the staffs even were not paid properly. So what they used to do? That's true. When the shop had to be closed last many years ago, when I was staying there, the lights they offed and they robbed most of the things in the shopping mall. And you know what answer they gave? We are not paid properly. That's why we had to rob the things and take. Don't spoil the name like that. Don't spoil the name of the shopping mall, Big G. Keep the name so that people love you all. Don't hate you all and turn against you all. Babu goes to London, here, there, everywhere he goes, showing that he is innocent. But inside his heart is cruel. Don't behave like that. Don't behave. Nobody will like it. No public person will like it. Anyone who's watching this video, even Dr. Deepak Kamath, if he's also watching this video, what he'll say, what he's done is wrong. You're allowed to give her hard-earned money. Because he knows, he's a witness. He knows how many years I worked over there. Before Mayur and Nirmala, Mayur, Moshmi and Mitesh got married, before they grew up, they were not, when I came to that house, they were not even in college. They were in school. So young children in school, innocent children they were. Like how Danali, Tasha and Tavisha. Like that they were. That time I had come. Now you all are grown up, your children have come. I grew them up. I should take care of Danali, Tasha, Tavish. Okay? I should take care of them. I struggled. And when Sangana needed me in the end, when she didn't have any maid, she called me the time when Janaya was going to be born. I went, I did not say no. And just because I had to go to Sangana in the Altim house when Janaya was getting born and there was no maid, Mr. Praveen Gosala turned against me and started hating me. And you know what he used to tell me? There, see that parrot who's staying in Altim, parrot. He used to call Sangana parrot. Popot used to call her. He used to never like Sangana because of her family. Because whatever he used to do, trouble, she used to run and tell the family. This is what he didn't like. And because of that, he used to hate her. And just because I went to help them there for some time, he turned against me also. Very wrong, very wrong. Don't do that. See, so many people are dying. Most of the 100 more people are dying. Who knows when we all our turns can come. Before behaving like that cruel, just join your hands to God, say sorry, and give my hard-earned money back. Mitesh, you know where I stay. Please tell Mayur if Mayur talks to you or if Babu talks to you. Don't deny that you don't know where I stay. Tell them that I stay in electricity department. You have my bank account, Corporation Bank. Give them my account. Let them put it in the account. And once the money comes to me, I will show the public people that Gosala has cleared all the money and given it to me. I am not cruel to hide that money and to spoil Babu's name like that. No, it's wrong. I'll never do that. So all friends, please on public share this video all over and please support me. Please support me. Thank you so much. Have a good afternoon.